up, guys? This is short review of my Cub Cadet XT1 OS107 garden tractor. So this is not my kind of stuff, not my channel format, so I will keep it really short and straightforward. I used this tractor for about practically 11 hours, and I cannot tell about this tractor reliability and in long-term stuff but I will tell you about what I like and what I don't like about this tractor. First things first, I like hydrostatic transmission. It's awesome. You can drive it like automatic car, and it doesn't take a lot of effort to move it around, and you can mow really tall grass because you can move it really slowly. I really like this engine because it puts a lot of power for this kind of price. It's 547 cubic inches and 17.5 horsepower at the peak, and 12.5 horsepower at the lowest. This is Cub Cadet overhead valve engine, but I think that Kohler made it. I like that it has 11.4 liters fuel tank. It's really nice because you don't have to fill it really often. It's got 15-inch wheels at the front and 20-inch wheels at the rear, and these tires really are like big and chunky, and it really helps to smooth the ride and overcome the big bumps. About the user-friendly features for this tractor, it's got digital display. You can see your battery voltage, your engine hours, and the steering wheel is really straightforward, really easy to use, really chunky, big, like for the car, and the seat is really nice too. You got really good back support, and that's really nice. And another special feature that helps you mow really easy is this key feature. You can put your key in the second position and push this button. When this button turns red, this light turns red, you can use your tractor. Your blades will turn all the time, even if you will drive backwards. So it's really nice feature. Of course, another feature that I like is that you have a front bumper, and you can attach your trailer, and of course you have this pocket right behind the steering wheel, and on the left side you have this like pocket for your phone, your drink, and blade regulating system. And of course your battery compartment is right under the seat. There you can see where the tractor was made, and it was made under the MTD product line in Germany, which is nice. And under here you have this lever. If you want to just push your tractor, just put that out, and if you want to drive, put that in, because it's a transmission lever, and if you will move it around with this stick in, you will risk to damage your transmission. And of course, another feature that I like is that frame underneath is made from one piece of metal, so it's not like welded 100 pieces together, and it's really strong and stiff. Another really useful feature is that you can change your oil right here. You can screw this lever out, and you can just change your oil at home, and it's really easy. So about the blades, it uses a double blade system and cuts 107 centimeters wide, and the knives are really good for now, the blades, I'm sorry, and I've heard that they are really good quality. And another feature that I like is these LED lamps. They are really bright and sometimes useful, so it's really small stuff, but all the details count. And about fuel consumption, so this tractor was actually surprisingly economical, with about 5 liters or even 4 liters. I cut about 4,000 square meters of grass, and the grass was not short, and the ground was not level, so it was really hard for the tractor with my kind of mass. More than 100 kilograms. It was really surprising, so it's kind of economical. So what I don't like about this tractor, it's really small stuff, but this blade is really vibrating sometimes when you're under the load, when the blades are cutting. So that's not that bad, but when the warranty will end, I think I will take them off. So I've heard that some people are complaining about engine idling after 15 engine hours of using this tractor. So, but I've heard that it's only fuel filter fault, so you can change it with a better aftermarket one. So that's about that. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.